Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at the new lineup of leather sleeves for the MacBook Pros. Although this product is new to the MacBook Pro lineup, iPad Pro and 12-inch MacBook users are probably familiar with this leather sleeve from Apple. The 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Pro sleeves were just added to the lineup following the release of the 2018 MacBook Pros, and so I figured I would pick one up to protect my new investment. Unfortunately, for those looking to do the same, these leather sleeves will run you a whopping $179 for the 13-inch and $199 for the 15-inch. They do come in three colors: saddle brown, black, and the midnight blue, which is the model that I have here. And keep in mind, these only fit the 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Pros with USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports. Now inside the box, there are no surprises. You just get the MacBook Pro sleeve and that is it. Obviously though, in terms of design, the MacBook Pro leather sleeve is fantastic. It is manufactured from high quality European leather with an Apple logo front and center, classy stitching around the outer edges, and if you flip it over, there's just some more high quality leather. The four circles that you see on the bottom match the rubber feet on the bottom of the MacBook Pro, which obviously prevents your MacBook from sliding all around a desk, and so Apple included a little holder for those rubber feet inside of the sleeve. Also inside, we have a microfiber lining to prevent any scratches that might occur while the MacBook is inside the sleeve. Inserting the MacBook Pro would go how you would imagine. Simply line up the Apple logo with the Apple logo on the sleeve and insert your MacBook in that direction. The rubber feet should line up at the bottom and the MacBook should be a nice and snug fit. Now I do understand that it might be a little difficult when you insert your MacBook for the first time because of how form-fitting the leather is to the MacBook, but I'm sure this was designed this way so that the leather can stretch and wear as time goes on. After a few times of taking the laptop in and out, you'll notice that it does get a little easier. The sleeve can also act as a bit of a desk mat by placing your MacBook directly on top while you're using it. It actually looks really good, and it also serves as protection for the bottom of your laptop from whatever surface you might have it on. Now there are a couple of drawbacks to this leather sleeve, and the most obvious one being the price. But since high quality leather isn't cheap, and since this is manufactured by Apple, the price doesn't really surprise me that much, but when I bought this directly from an Apple Store employee, she had to do a double take to make sure that she didn't ring this up twice. $100 seems fair for a sleeve of this quality, $200 is definitely pushing it. Also, one minor drawback is the cutouts along the side do not comply with the MacBook's orientation inside, therefore it does not allow access to the USB-C ports. So it would have been nice to be able to charge your MacBook while it's inside of the sleeve, but I'm sure Apple has their reasons behind why they didn't do that. All in all, the leather sleeve is very high quality and will do an excellent job protecting your MacBook from spills, scratches, and maybe some minor drops. If this thing falls off something really high, I'm not sure how well it would hold up, but that's not really the point of this sleeve. I definitely like the midnight blue color too, as it kind of matches the midnight blue iPhone X case that I have here, and I look forward to seeing how this sleeve will age over time. So if you're in need of some protection for your new MacBook Pro, I'd probably look elsewhere for something cheaper first, but I have also yet to find a sleeve of this quality. Let us know what you think of the new MacBook Pro 15-inch and 13-inch leather sleeves in the comment section down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.